Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download the Docker desktop on your Windows, and I will leave some issues errors, like I will face them. I will show you how to solve them during the installation phase. So all I need to do, installation and the launching one, all I need to do is just open browser and then type Docker download, first link, and here guys it's gonna be using the Docker desktop. In my case for Windows I will choose the RM for 64 based on your CPU usage, guys. So in my case it's this one. If you have an AMD, go for this one. So I'm gonna be waiting for this one. I will back after the installation phase. So guys, after the installation is done, it's gonna be restarting, and after restarting your computer, it's gonna be having this terminal, which is you're gonna be accepting Docker subscription service agreement. So it's gonna be accepting, and here is gonna be creating an account, or you can manage the browser, verify, and you can skip the notification, guys, but I'm gonna be using my one. So after that it's gonna be open desktop, and there you go, guys. You have everything here is ready. So if there is any updates that you need to mention, just copy here and then go for CMD and again copy paste this. It's gonna be making the Windows subsystem for Linux an update. If you have any traction, anything that you need to mention, so you need to just update it, and there you go. You're gonna be waiting for it for the processing. So after that installation, you are good to deliver. You will have the Docker desktop on you. So I'm gonna be start again. If you have virtualization not detection, like you have to have making on the virtualization system, which is gonna be go to performance, and then it's gonna be Hyper-V support. You're gonna be say yes, or virtualization here is gonna be disabled, so activated through BIOS, guys. If you don't have the knowledge for that, ask for me on a comment. I will make a dedicated video for that. I'm gonna be activating my visualization, and I will come back to that, guys. So guys, after activating my virtualization, so it's gonna be checking here the performance, and then you will find virtualization enabled. So here is gonna be starting the Docker engine after all the issues that's going through it. So that is all about to start here. There is nothing else to fix or to just be in trouble for our installation phase. It's gonna be waiting a bit, and we make it to the time. After that you will find the Docker here. You have everything set up in, and everything is working perfectly. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video how to install Docker. We face two issues. We have the update of the subsystem of the Linux core in Ubuntu core in Windows. The second feature was the virtualization system, how you can enable it. That's based on your request, guys. I can find for you. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.